In the last section, we started to initialize our Kubernetes engine. Now you'll notice that up here on the top right-hand side, it looks like the spinner has stabilized, but I still see the one on the screen right here. So I'm just going to refresh the page very quickly. And then when I load back in, you'll notice that that spinner up there totally gone. So it looks like everything was ready to go anyways. So now that Kubernetes cluster is warmed up on my account, we can now create a new cluster. I'm going to click the Create Cluster button right here. And then that's going to present us with a little wizard to go through to create our new cluster. A lot of the information we have to enter here is going to be somewhat obvious, but some of it might be a little bit more esoteric. So let's walk through this thing step by step. The first thing we have to provide is a cluster name. Now the name you provide here, totally up to you. We're not going to really be using the name in many places. Me personally, I'll use the name of K8's, actually about multi-cluster. That's better, like so. We're going to leave the location type as zonal, and then we get asked to select a zone. I recommend that you select a zone close to wherever you are trying to serve traffic to, or alternatively, just a zone that is close to your geographic location. So for me, I'm going to leave it on my default selection of US Central 1A. I'll then leave the master version as the default setting, and then we get asked to create something called a node pool. So the node configuration right here is describing the specifications of each different virtual machine that will be added to your Kubernetes cluster as a node. Remember that inside of our local development environment where we use Minikube, we only